welcome to my channel. I'm just driving here. You can see the trees. It's fall season. They're changing color. They look nice and beautiful. Some haven't yet, but it's a beautiful day to drive. The sun is out. Not much traffic on the street here. Hopefully you're doing well. You're taking care of yourself and those you love. And thanks for visiting. If this is the first time for you to visit, that's our old train. Sorry, you didn't see that. If this is the first time for you to visit, give us a like, subscribe, support the work, and come back, watch the playlist. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. You can leave a comment if you're feeling good about this video. You don't have to, but it would be nice. I went to school. That's part of Metropolitan State University, that building. Took some classes over here. It's called Energy Technology Center. Like the tree colors. Looks nice. Seems like they resurfaced this street here. Looks nice. Just part of it, not the whole thing. This is called Midway. The tower you see over there, that's a state fair. Minnesota State Fair. I think they call it the needle or something. Kind of rotates and then it goes all the way to the top where you see the white thing there. Then you can see both St. Paul and Minneapolis, known as Twin Cities. The entrance, main entrance is here. I'll show you right there. That's the main entrance. You can see the water tower. It says Minnesota State Fair. Right now there isn't anything to show you in there. No activities at all. Gonna go to the car wash over here. My car looks pretty dirty, so I got to wash it. I have a little gas station here with a touchless car wash. It's a BP. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. We'll see you on the next video. That's a little car wash right there. The entrance is on the other side.